Support for the Arkansas PBS Writers Contest is provided by the June Hose Williams Endowment.
Hi, my name's Harper. I'm going to read the book, A Little Baby That Ate Trees. I'm 6 years old.
Once upon a time, there was a little baby who ate trees. And then he growed and growed until his nose growed into a tree branch. Then his arms grew into trees and his fingers grew into leaves. His legs and toes grew into trees. Birds came from every place to sit on him. His mom and dad wanted him to feed the birds, so they stuck some bread on his nose for the birds to come and feed their babies. It was springtime for their babies to hatch. One day he saw some fruit and said, I've been eating trees all the time. Maybe I should go to the doctor because I think I want to turn back into my normal self. So they went to the doctor and they asked, is there anything that can help me? He said, yes, you can eat lots of fruit and turn back into yourself. He went home and ate lots of fruit and turned back into his normal self, except for his ears, which were still leaves. He ate some green fruit and they grew even bigger. So he ate some tan fruit and his ears grew into ears again. The end.